So, this is a mind map, and we will talk about it in details today. But at a high level, think of it as a tool which can help you in breaking down any complex problem. So, this is a simple one which I created just for Instagram to illustrate how it works. But we will use it and we will break it down further to understand how we can use it to address different kind of challenges or problems we use. We can use it in product design, and a lot of time people don't use it for something like MISI or RCA types of interview questions. But I can tell you this is a powerful tool to address those scenarios as well. So that's what we will do. The easy thing about mind map at the conceptual level, it is really easy to understand. But the worst part about it is it requires really good amount of practice. But point is, you should try to integrate it in your day-to-day work. So even before you become or rather switch to product manager, see if there is a use case where you can apply it.